gonna be very honest with you. Not the best at introductions, but I'm gonna give it a shot. My name is Sandeep. I'm building a piece of shit Q60. I'm broken, so let's see how this goes. So what's done to the car so far? Since I bought it, I didn't have these upgraded brakes, so I bought those. I had smaller wheels. One of my first sponsors was Exo Luxury, big shout out to them. This is for V2, another one of my sponsors, Braum. Check them out. Recently, I just installed the AMS Alpha coolant reservoir, the AMS Alpha intakes, a frozen boost heat exchanger, HKS blow-off valves, add one catch can. Got some hood rat wiring done right here. Ignore that. It'll be good when the final product is done. Interior wise, we're currently gutted for full race car mode, boys. Nah, I'm completely kidding. Got some custom work done. They're sitting over there. Not really supposed to show you that, so that's all you guys can see. Currently working on the rear seat delete. I got a template cut out so far. I'm gonna see how far this brings me before I have to scrap this and start all over again. It's been 2-3 months in the making. I suck at this. And the Braum harness bar had to get a little bit of custom work done from CJ Motoring. Big shout out to them. And let's see, what else are we doing today? She's yes. I teed this off for everybody's favorite boost gauge. Got the wiring running all the way through there, up, under, going around. It's gonna come out here. ES Customs is making me a custom gauge pillar. That's gonna be amazing. Can't wait to see that. I got my hood rat subwoofers, 2 Kicker Comp R12s. That's gonna be very nice to add everything up. I'm working on some kind of nice wiring layout, I guess you wanna call it. It ain't working out so well so far. Once we get down here, we have dual air compressors, my air tank, waiting on the air strut still from AirTech, no biggie. Managed to break one of these. If you guys have bags, you already know. I did not know. You cannot over tighten plastic. Yeah, nah, I'm officially boys. Officially, so I gotta get a new one. Ignore the mess. I have the Icon Coupe S front lip, still in winglets for added aero. Oh, and my favorite stuff is here. This is the GBN Equipped carbon fiber diffuser, C-blades, roof spoiler, corner balances, mirror caps, and eyelids. Just look at that freaking detail. I forgot one of my most favorite upgrades. This is the TBW aluminum under tray. I don't know if I can get that in a clear shot. There we go. For you guys that are low, you know how shit our freaking plastic underliner is. This is the best upgrade you can get for like less than 200 bucks. That's all I'm saying. We're gonna wrap this and that broken one once I get it back. Oh, if you thought I couldn't get any more hood rat, we got eBay switches. That's enough messing around. Time to actually get to work. Right, Max? Let's go. Let's go. It was too hot in my garage. I have no ventilation, and the humidity outside is like 100%, and real feels like over 100. So it's not happening today. It will definitely happen tomorrow. So for now, enjoy clips of what V1 used to be, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.